ResumeUp AI has just dropped, and if you're looking for the best AI software to help elevate your job application process, this is one tool you need to pay attention to. Whether you're job hunting, optimizing your resume, or looking to stand out in the competitive job market, ResumeUp AI could be the game changer you're looking for. Stick around until the end because I'll be showing you some key features that set this software apart from others and how you can use it to boost your chances of landing that dream job. Before we dive in, I just want to let you know that you can try ResumeUp AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's get into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. First off, ResumeUp AI is designed to generate high-quality, personalized resumes with minimal effort. It uses cutting-edge AI algorithms to scan job descriptions and tailor your resume to match the role you're applying for. This means you can create a job-winning resume without spending hours trying to figure out what to put on it. What sets ResumeUp apart from other resume builders is its smart AI-based optimization. It doesn't just fill in blanks. It intelligently analyzes your career history, skills, and job preferences, and then recommends specific changes to help you stand out to employers. It essentially acts like a personal resume coach that helps craft your document to highlight the most important skills and achievements for each job you target. Another impressive feature is its keyword optimization. ResumeUp AI ensures that your resume contains the right keywords to pass through applicant tracking systems, ATS. These systems are used by most companies to filter resumes before they even reach a human recruiter. With ResumeUp AI, you don't have to worry about your resume getting lost in the shuffle because it's optimized for the ATS algorithms used by top companies. It also offers a variety of templates designed for different industries and job positions. Whether you're in marketing, tech, healthcare, or any other field, ResumeUp AI has templates tailored to make your resume look professional and appropriate for your specific industry. Plus, these templates are fully customizable, so you have control over the final design and content. For job seekers who need a bit more guidance, ResumeUp AI provides step-by-step suggestions on how to improve your resume. This feature is perfect for those who may not have a lot of experience writing resumes, or for those who simply want to ensure that their resume is top-notch before submitting it to employers. One of the most underrated features of ResumeUp AI is its ability to craft a resume summary or objective that resonates with hiring managers. Many job seekers struggle with writing an impactful summary, but this AI-powered tool can help you create one that highlights your key strengths and makes a lasting impression. Finally, ResumeUp AI is incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate the software. Its intuitive design means that anyone, from first-time job seekers to seasoned professionals, can quickly generate and customize their resumes without feeling overwhelmed by complicated features. If you're curious about trying it out for yourself, I highly recommend giving ResumeUp AI a go with the free trial available in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools in the digital marketing space, this one stands out as a must-try for anyone looking to streamline their job application process. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software in the description. These are tools I've personally tested and used to help optimize various tasks, and I only recommend the best to you. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your job search.